So see, we have two functions, right? The first one is fx,
Yes.
right? Fx is the square root of x plus 27, and gx is, right, gx is, it is a straight line, right? 1 over 21 x plus 117 over 21. Okay, right. First, sketch the region enclosed by the curve on your own piece of paper. Okay, then compute the area of that region, right? Okay, perfect. Right. So what we do, we first consider x-axis and y-axis.
Yes.
So here is the x-axis and here we have the y-axis. Right. Now, see, if you look at the function fx, it is the square root of x function, right? The parent function will be square root of x, right? Yeah. Now see, you have plus 27. So we have to move left side by
Oh,
27
I cannot
units.
see your screen.
Mm-hmm.
Are you sharing the screen, or you want me to just see here?
Yeah, you will see here. Both we can work here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Okay.
Oh, that place also. But yeah, let's see how it works. You can see here. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Right.
I'm watching. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So now I'm drawing the function first fx equal to square root of x plus 27. Now see, this is the square root of x, right? Basically, we know square root of x how defined. So just it is like this, right? It starts from 0 and it is defined to the right side of 0, something like this, right?
That'll be something from here because of the
Exactly.
distance.
Yeah, 27 unit we will have to move this side, right? Like this. Great. So this is my function fx, right? This is our fx function. Okay. Now what should we do? We draw the graph of gx. Gx is a straight line, right? So
it's just very low slope, so it'll be
very low slope.
be like this.
Yes. Can you calculate y-intercept? Y-intercept will be where?
It'll be at negative 117.
It will be no y-intersect. For y-intersect,
Oh, the x.
yeah.
The x-intercept. It'll be 117 over 21.
Yeah. Now, so for this function, y-intersect is, for y function, x, fx function, y-intersect is square root of 27. And for gx function, 117 over 21. Which one is greater, this or this?
I think is this one.
This one? Oh, yeah, that would be, yeah. This is divided by 21. So 5 point something we are getting. And square root of 27 will be 1 point something, right? So,
Yes.
okay. Okay, so then what we can do here? So y-intersect will be this place, right? So I'm drawing the red different colors. So let me put here this place, right? Okay, here, right? Maybe
Yes.
little off. So here, something like
Okay,
this.
I got the two x values where these two functions intercept. It's 9 and only 8.
9, yeah. This is the intersect.
Yeah.
Okay, 9 and 8.
I set it
I
equal
think
to each other, then I solved for
that's all.
x.
Yeah. Okay. I got it. So then we have to change little bit. So the graph that we draw here. So very first I have to change because I need more space, the top. Otherwise
Yeah.
I cannot draw. Yeah. X is those. So basically you will get here. You see. So the straight line first let me draw. It is a small slope. So maybe it would be basically 27. Square root of 27 is 5 point. Square root of 27 will be 5.196 like this, right?
Mm.
And what about 117 over 21? 117 over
What will
21. Yes.
what will it
5.
equal?
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
No, no, it's okay. So just I need these two numbers, right? We will compare those, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's draw the straight line. So straight line is passing through this. Maybe here we have, and then small slope. So parallel line will be maybe this line is the parallel line, right? I mean horizontal line.
Mm.
Yeah, like this. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Just I am drawing. It is not necessary. I'm drawing. Okay.
Please come and do your work. I don't have it.
Yeah.
What you're looking for, I don't have it. I gave it to you. Okay, keep wasting time.
Yeah. So
Okay. So
yeah, this way. The straight line, right? Okay. This is our G expansion. Yes, we need graph because we want to draw the graph actually. So now what do we do? So it
yes.
start from here. Yes, I'm using the different color here. Maybe it start from this here, this place, and it move this way, right? Okay,
Mm.
something like this. As you find out the
Mm.
intersecting point. So this is the first point right here.
Yes.
Yeah, and this is the second point we do get here. So this is the point 9
Yes.
and another point. Yes. What was the coordinate of other point after solving? What did you get? 9 and
And 198.
198. I did not solve 100. I just believe your calculation. So, or do I solve?
Okay.
Maybe.
You have to write the integral for
Yeah.
this area.
Yeah. That area we will integrate. Yeah.
So it'll be.
Did you double check the x intersect that the common point you
I
calculate?
checked 9. This 9 I checked. I did not check 198, but I'm pretty sure it's right.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'm trying. I'm just let's see the calculation. Otherwise, we spend time and finally we get the wrong answer. That's why we have to check, right?
Okay.
Yeah. I will take just 2 minutes. So maybe 1 minute. So this is
Okay.
x plus 27. That would be 1 over 21x plus 117 over 20. I don't know why your teacher put the fraction like this. Yeah.
Yeah, that's just the system, you know.
Okay.
They make it hard problems so that you'll get very good at it.
Okay, numerical calculation, basically the numericals number. Okay, so
Yes.
21 into 21, so that would give you, so maybe I am taking this side 441 and x plus 27 here, and then this side will be x square plus I'm doing fast 2 into, although I am using calculator for multiplication. So 234x plus this part will be 117 into 117. So we are getting 13689. So can you use the calculator in your exam, or without calculator you have to do? Hello?
I'm sorry, what was that?
I'm saying that they allow you calculator in your exam hall, or without calculator you have to solve?
No, no calculator.
No calculator. Okay, then you have to first convert it into the quadratic form, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So we did it. So we just convert it into the. So now next what we do? 13689 minus 441 into 27. So we are getting here plus 1782 equals to 0. Okay, right. As you told me, 9 will be a solution. So 81 minus
Mm.
207 into 9. Yeah, 9 is a solution. Yeah, perfect. The 9 will be one solution for this. Now, what will be the next other solution,
Yes.
right? So 198. Let's see. 198 into 100.
108.
Okay. 207 into 100. Sorry. 98. Yeah. After solving, you have to use the quadratic formula. If you use quadratic formula, you will get 9 and 198. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Right. So now this is the region that we want to calculate the area of this part, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How do we do this? So first of all, we have to consider a small rectangle here, right? Small rectangle. Let's say
Oh,
this is
yes.
a
Yes.
small rectangle. Yeah. So now you know that we consider for any x. X is here, right? This is x, and the width I taking delta x. This is delta x. Okay. So
Mm.
this part will be delta x, that we replace by dx, right? Say this
Yes,
point
sir.
is, yeah, okay, this point P and this point is Q here. Now can you calculate the PQ, this height, PQ height at x? Now total PX from here to here, the total PX is given by the function fx, right? Okay. This is
Yeah.
square root of, yeah, x plus 27. And what about this? The qx from here to here, this height we get from the function gx. That is 1 over 21x plus 117 over 21. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
So what is px? The element, the height of the small rectangle. So p of q, not px actually, p of q will be the, which one is
Top
greater here?
minus
Yeah.
the top minus the bottom function.
Top minus bottom. So that this is exactly this, right? 117 over 21. Yeah, this. Okay. Now what is the area of that small rectangle? So that small rectangle area will be the area of the small rectangle. Actually, finally we will do integration, but I'm writing like this. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. Small rectangle is given by the width and the height. So that is square root of x plus 27 minus 1 over 21x plus 117 over 21. This is the height. That whole thing will be multiplied by delta x, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we want? We want the area of the whole region. So how we get that? Just we have to add those all a small area of the small rectangle, right? But
Yes.
finally there is a error. But how you can remove that error? Just you make delta x very small. Then it will convert to the integration, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the area is basically integration x varies from 9 to 198, and this expression square root of x plus 27 minus 1 over 21x minus 117 over 21, this thing dx. That's the idea. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay. Now we have to integrate this. Will you try this, or should I show you the work?
Let's both do it, yeah.
Yeah. So this integration, how do we do this
I
integration?
just did it, but I think I got the wrong answer. I got negative 2,259.83. I don't think it's right.
Yeah, it will
Because
be.
how could it be negative?
It is not negative. It would be positive, right? Should be positive.
Yeah.
It should be positive. Yeah. Okay. See. Yeah. So, did you do it by hand or you use calculator?
I used calculator.
Or you use calculator? Let's see what happened. I'm doing here. Right. Maybe. Okay. I'm just taking the graph. The graph that I draw here. It's fine. So.
Yeah, but I don't know how I would solve it by hand because there's some very big numbers, you know.
Okay, yeah, this is very big number, but let's try what happened. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I don't know. I got it wrong.
Okay, let's see. First of all, we can integrate this, right? Integration of
Yeah.
square root of x plus 27 dx. That would be what? That would be, this is a linear function. X has no, so just a normal integration of square root of x, right?
Yeah.
X plus 27 whole of 3 to the power 3 to the 3 over 2 over 3 over 2, like this, right? So this part will be 2 over 3, and then x plus 27 and whole to the power 3 over 2 minus this part x cube, x cube over sorry, x square, not cube, the x square over 2 means 42, right? 117 over 21 over x, and the limit will be this. Okay, this. So how do we solve this one? So here first we
By
put
hand.
by hand. Let's see what happened.
Okay.
Actually, your teacher want to see your how much you are comfortable with simplification of algebraic expression. That's why he put this. Okay.
Okay.
2 over 3, yeah. 198 plus 27. What is that? 198 plus 27.
That's 225.
225. 225. Then whole to the power 3 over 2 minus. So then this would be become 1.
Square root is 15
Yeah, that
of
is good.
225.
Yes, that is a good number, right?
Yeah.
But what I don't know for 9 what we get. Let's see. Just you see my calculation, okay? The term I'm writing. If I make mistake any
Okay.
place, yeah, 198.
Are you using calculator or no?
Yeah, definitely. Because you know what happened? After certain time,
What?
the numbers we not use numbers in any place. Numbers we remove the numbers from our research. Okay, only the philosophical thought we accept
Okay.
and deal like that. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is from elementary calculation. So I also boring like you about calculation. But fine, because 198. So 2 3 we have to do. Let's see what happened. 27 plus 9. Great. That also good.
Okay.
36 we are getting.
Yeah.
So now
Or 6 to the power of 3, we can just write.
yeah, 296 I'm just confusing why you are getting negative number. That's my question.
How did you get 1,296 over 4? Shouldn't it just be squared? The 9?
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Yeah, I put the wrong thing here. Yeah. Mistake. So 9 mean
Yeah.
81. Yeah. 9 mean 81. Yes. Then minus 117 into 9. So 1053. How one student could solve without calculator this question? I'm not sure.
Yeah, they'll make us on the test
He has to
exam.
he has to do lots of multiplication and division. So I don't know. Any clever idea can we use here? Let's see what happened. We will discuss. Okay, about any method can we find where we have to do the last step. Okay, right. Everything is fine no? So far. What I have done, the calculation. Okay. Yeah.
I think so. I did not double check it, but you're using calculator, so I think it's all good.
Yeah. 198. So very fast I'm checking only multiplication part. 81. 117 into 1. Okay, 9. 1053. Okay, great. So this is, as you mentioned, this is 15 square, right? 15 into 15. Yeah. So 15 square if you do, then you will get 1 over 3. So 15 cube, right? Minus. Yeah. So let's see what happened here. 39204 over 42. Yeah. No. That not work. Okay, let's separate first. Then 23. And then here we get 6 square. I mean 6 cube. Right? Minus, 39204. I'm just grouping the fraction together, okay? Let's see. Plus, this will be 81 over 42 plus 1053 over 21, right? So looking good, right? Little bit. So at least we have a hope. So what happened? 15 into 15 into 15 minus 6 into 6 into 6 into 6.
Okay, I think I got it.
Yeah, you got it?
I got 121.5, which is said is correct.
From this calculation?
Yes, I followed your steps.
Okay,
So
great.
you did correct.
Okay, I'm just taking negative sign outside. Then here we take 42 here. Then 39. Should I complete the calculation or you got it?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay. I'm just checking. So this is plus sign will be here. 4, 6, 3, 3, 2. Only one step we need. Then we finish, right? Minus 81. Yeah. Negative sign will be here. Plus sign. Plus minus. Okay. So this is 1053 into 2. So we do get here. This is right. Okay. Great. Let's see. 3159 divided by hopefully get good result. Good. Yeah. This cancel out by this and put here 1053, right?
Yes.
And then minus what I get 39204 plus 46332 minus 81 minus 2106. Let's see, I'm writing here 83349 over 42. I'm not sure that would be divided by 42. No, it is not divided, but I'm getting a good fraction here. So this will be, so the minus, it will be 1984.5. And this part will be 2 into 1053. So 2106, right? 2106 minus 1984.5, 121.5 is the correct answer.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, this. So I'm not sure how one can. Okay, let's see where I use calculator. So first of all, we draw the graph. Fine, and we put upper. Okay, this place. Heavily, I use the calculator. This step, right here, here,
Yeah.
because multiplication
The
here,
fractions.
fraction, yeah, only this step we use many times calculation. For for calculation we use calculator. May 198
This
square.
cube and square root.
Yes, yeah.
But you have to know that the square root of 225 is 15.
Yes, that you have to know.
I only know up to 12 squared or 13 squared. Then I
Okay.
don't know.
Do you know the Vedic math? I don't know in your country it is, where you are living, they taught or not. Do you know Vedic math?
What is that?
That is like,
Vedic math.
yeah, the ancient time Indian actually develop a different type of, the language for doing mathematics. Okay. So you can easily multiply, you
Yes.
can divide like that very shortly. For example,
What can you write it? What is it called?
yeah, okay. I'm writing. Give me a second. Just spelling.
Oh, the name, I mean, the name.
Yeah. Okay, this is Vedic math. Can you see? I'm writing to the left side.
I will search it up later.
Yeah, this. Okay.
Okay. Alright, I sent the next problem, by the way,
Okay. Yeah.
in
Yeah.
the chat.
Yeah.
If you want to play or anything.
Haha. Okay. Great. Consider the graph between this and this. Okay. This area can be computed in two different way using the integral. Okay. Right. Okay. First of all, they consider, they integrate with respect to x. That also you can integrate with respect to y. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So we need the graph first. We'll draw the graph. Okay. So here,
Okay.
yeah, we have a parabola and we have a straight line. The slope is 1. No. The slope will be -1/2, right?
Well, I cannot see what you're drawing. Oh, okay, never mind.
You can see now. Oh, yeah, just start drawing. So first of all, we will first analyze the function that we have, because we will draw the graph, right? Those function. Yeah. So first straight line you have x plus 2y equals to 4, right? So from here you can calculate y equal to -1/2x plus 2, right? Perfect. This is the first graph, and the second graph is y square equal to x plus 4. So it is basically a parabola, right? Open to the right side. Axis is along x-axis, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And vertex is at, yes, -4, 0. So how it looks like, -4, 0. So maybe I can, if you put x equal to 0, then you get like that. Okay, perfect. So hopefully my graph will work. This way, right?
Yeah.
This is y square equal to x plus 4. Right. Now we draw the straight line. where it intersect the, if you put
Over
x,
here
over here, yes,
at
perfect.
2.
Yes, that is 2. 2 x equal to 0, that is 2, 0 comma 2, exactly 0 comma 2, and the negative slope you have, right? So
Mm,
negative slope mean the angle will be more than 90 degree, right? Something like
like
this.
this.
Yeah. So I'm drawing, so like this, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is my region that we want to evaluate the area, so this part, right? So we will first calculate the intersecting point, right? We know this point is, yeah, this point was basically negative 4 comma 0, and this point we know also, yeah, 0 comma negative 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about this point coordinate? You know this point coordinate, if you solve,
I'm calculating it as we speak. It's 12.
x is
The
12.
x value is 12. X value is 12.
What about y value?
Y value, just plug it into here. It's -4.
Yes, negative 4, because negative 8 you get, then divided by 2, negative 4. Great, thank you. Everything we have
Yes,
here.
sir.
Okay, great. So now see, we also need this point. This point also we need. Okay,
Why we need that point?
I will explain. Just
Well, because we're writing it as 2 functions, so we do this top part and the bottom part, right?
basically, see, if you want to integrate, especially the first part, if you want to integrate, see, the idea is what? The idea is, if you want to integrate with respect to x-axis, you have to consider a small vertical line, right?
Yeah.
Here you have some intersecting point, and bottom part you have some intersecting point. Say this is called P and this is called Q, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you move this vertical line in the whole region, then you can see that, P point move along the curves, right? Along this curve. That is basically the parabola until this point, 0, 2, right? And Q point, move along this curve, right? The bottom part. No change until for the whole region until this, right? But the problem with the P point,
This way will be easier, right?
that we will do for the second part. That we do for the second question. This is the first part.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 part you have. Yes, for that way it is easy. We need only one integration, right?
Yeah.
So we have to split from this point to this point, right? And then from here to, so 2 part you will divide for x from -4 to 0 and 0 to okay, for 0 to 12, right? You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So what we get now, so the integration will become, then first part, if you want to do part A, the formula will become, first you have to integrate -4 to 0, right?
Yeah.
And the function, they want the function, okay, we calculate px for this part from -4 to 0. Px will be the parabola minus parabola, right?
Yes, parabola.
So this is square root, positive square root, this is x plus 4, and this is negative square root of x plus 4, right? So this and this, that will be 2 square root of x plus 4, right? You got my point? And dx. This is PQ exactly, right? This height, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now what happened to for the after 0? I mean to the right side. So until 0 to 12, we integrate. Now here, if you are PQ is this position right now. Okay. Here.
Yeah, I wrote it out.
Okay, you already. So straight line So state maximum minus minimum. So the straight line is maximum. Maximum will be y part is 4 minus x divided by 2, right? Right.
Yeah.
And then the minus of this minus part, right? So basically you have to take plus of that. I mean minus of, if you want to write like this, I will do this way.
Mm.
Correct? Okay. You got my point? So this is okay. 4 minus x over 2. Here you fixed x. Then this is the maximum height, right? Okay. Okay. And this is the minimum, right?
Yes.
Yeah, max minus min. Yeah, so this is negative square root of x plus 4. So we do get this. So then the integration negative 4 to 0, 2 square root of x plus 4 dx, and plus 0 to 12, 4 minus x over 2 plus square root of x plus 4, and then whole thing dx. Okay, right?
Yes.
Perfect. So A, you know what? A, B, C, D, everything you can write down here. Yeah. Right.
Okay, I got the antiderivatives already.
You got the antiderivative. First part only you need A, B, C, fx, gx, right?
Mm.
A is what? A is negative 4 and B is, yeah, you got antiderivative. Great. We'll check that later. Okay.
Of these.
Yeah. And B is 0. Fine. C is 12. What is fx? Fx is 2 square root of x plus 4. What about gx? The gx is 4 minus x over 2 plus square root of x plus 4. Okay.
Mm.
Right. This is the final
Right.
answer. Yeah.
Wait, let me write that in.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Okay, I did it. Let me just check that it's right. Yes, so that part is correct.
Okay, great. Now we move to the next part. We will integrate with respect to y, right? So we need to draw the horizontal strip now. Okay.
Mm.
So, okay, you take any horizontal strip. So then maybe here I am taking in the downside, right?
Mm.
It intersect at point A, here point B, right? So this is the fixed y. Yeah. Now y change from negative 2 to 2, right? If we want to move this strip, yeah, horizontally, vertically up and down, we see that y change from negative 2 until 2, right? But the interesting fact here, the A is always on the same curve, right? You can see here, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It will be on same curve on the the blue part, right? Yeah. And B point is on the purple color, right? Always. That we can see, right? Any place you draw.
Yeah.
So therefore, we not need to split the region into two parts, right? Only one integration is enough, right?
Yes.
That way we decide. So part B, how we get? So the integration will become from negative 2 to 2, y varies. Now everything we have to write down in, we need this AB distance, right? AB, okay?
Okay.
So what is this from here to here? How do we get? That we get if you fixed y, x we have to
Right
calculate.
minus left.
Yes, 4
This
minus 2.
function minus left.
Exactly. What about this y? How we get this y? I mean this x?
This one?
Yeah, this x, yeah.
Wait,
Y
what?
square
Oh,
minus
this one
4.
is just
Y square
Yeah.
minus 4. Yeah. Yes, that is negative number, right?
Mm.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Is this fine?
Let me just write it in.
Ha. Hmm. Yeah. What about the length AB? AB will be what then? Yeah.
Give me 1 second, sir. I already calculated the area is 36
Oh,
myself.
great.
No.
Great. Huh. Right. dy. So we get here after simplification negative 2 to 2, then 4 minus 2y minus y square plus 4 of dy. So we do get here negative 2 to 2. Then this is 8 minus 2y minus y square dy. So for the part B, your alpha is 2, beta is negative, alpha is negative 2,
I
beta is,
said everything is right except this. Except this is not negative 2. Said that is wrong.
oh, hold on. Give me a second. Why
Okay.
we get wrong? 1 second. Let me check. Okay, here we getting negative 4. That is the important part here.
It's negative 4?
This is negative 4. This height is negative 4, right? Right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Negative 4. Maybe. Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm just checking. So,
Oh yeah, I said negative 4 is correct.
yeah, negative 4. Yeah. That will be range will be negative 4. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get the next.
That is negative 4. Yeah. Right. Sorry. So that we did not see. Yeah. Next one, please. Yeah. So therefore, if we integrate with respect to y, easily we get the area, right? If someone integrate with respect to x, he has to do lots of work, right? Lots of square root, lots of calculation. You have heavy square root function you have here, so it will take time. So
Yeah,
therefore,
but the setup is easier for
yes,
X.
exactly.
The setup is easier.
Exactly.
It's easier to think about in terms of X. You have to like turn your head sideways for a while.
Yes.
Okay, I send you the next one.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. I got it. Give me a second.
Okay.
Great. Perfect. So find the area of the region between the curve y equal to square root of x, y equal to 1 over 2x, right? So y equal to square root of x, this is the first curve. And the second curve, we have a straight line, y equal to 1 over 2x, right? And x equal to 9. First, we draw the region in the xy plane, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I already
Do it. Did it? Okay.
I got 18 minus
Hmm.
20.
Okay.
I got 18 minus 20.25.
Okay.
But I don't know if that's right.
Let's see. So x equal to 9, if you put here, y you will get 3. Say x equal to 9 will be this, right? This, something like this, right?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think I did something wrong.
Let's see. So just Okay, let me draw the graph, then you can identify where the mistake you did. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is, main part is here graph. If you can draw the exact graph, then nothing. So just you calculate the height and everything, you can do it. And you will just check, do you need to split the integration into two parts? That how you decide, just you check the intersecting point moving on the same curve or not for the whole change, right? Of range of x, right? Or y. Perfect.
Yeah.
This point we have intersecting point is 9,3, right? This side is
Mm.
3 here. Yeah, this is 3 height. Great. Now what? Yes. Yeah. 9,4 point. That's the problem. That's the problem. 4.5 is greater 3, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's why I did this one as top.
Ah.
Okay. It's like this.
Ah. Ah. Like that. Yeah. I'm drawing.
Okay.
I'm drawing because you have no digital pen. So let me draw. Right, like this. You can decide here the slope. Slope for this function is okay, pi over 2. That's problem. This is the slope is less, so infinity. So the region will be something like this, right?
Mm.
Oh. Yeah, this part we do integrate. Hold 1 second. 1 second. Hold on. First, we calculate the intersecting point. These two curves. It is very difficult how the position sometime. So you can decide by calculating intersecting point. Okay. If we do this, then what should we get? I think we did not get the correct graph here. We have to do little bit. X square over 4. So now 4x minus x square equal to 0, right? So you will get x equal to 0 and x equal to 4, right?
Oh.
Graph is still not good. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's like going like this then.
Yes, exactly. Like that. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So maybe I can raise this. I raise this and draw that again. So
Okay, so I did it completely wrong then.
see, the cleverly we understand here that if we can calculate the intersecting point, then a rough graph we can draw at least, right? Because it intersected 0 and 0.4, right? So something like this. So dot like this, right? Okay, so this is the 0.4 here we have, right? Now we want the area of this part. This part. Perfect. So how do we calculate? Now it is very easy. We have to integrate from. So if you look at the region, we integrate with respect to x, because any the vertical line intersect at point Q upper part, and this is the lower value. P is the upper value and Q is the lower value. If we move, so here x you have, if you move x from 4 to 9, P move on the straight line and Q move on the parabola, right?
Yes.
Be happy. So don't worry about the splitting the integration. We will not think that way, that we have to split. So integration 4 to 9. What is the height? That height will be straight line. So x over 2 minus square root of x and dx. Now you can do it, right? Okay. So one thing we learned here, if we want to draw the rough graph, at least which graph is upper and which graph is lower, how you decide? Calculate the intersecting point. That give you a hint. Okay, you have to take that part upper, that part lower, like that. Okay. That way. Yeah. Should I complete this integration or you will do?
You can do it, I guess.
Okay, I'm completing. This integration will become x square over 4 minus x to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 and then 4 to 9. So that would become 81 over 4 minus 9 square, I mean 3 square. So 3 cube over 3 over 2, right? This expression minus 416 over 4 minus 2 cube over 3 over 2, right? 81 minus 16, over 4 minus 2 over 3 I factor out, then 3 cube minus 2 cube, right? Calculation is fine so far. I just skip one step. I just remove the parentheses and rearrange like that. 1 minus 16, so 65 over 4, right? Minus 3. I'm not sure you are getting boring, so because of calculation, 16, 19, so 38 over 3, right?
Oh wait, are we not calculating this part?
We are not calculating this part. No, because
This
if
part I
you
also calculated.
we're not calculating, because if you read then you understand. Only we need that part. Find the area region bounded by y equal to square root of x, y equal to that, and x equal to 9. Okay, the three sides.
Oh, it's just this part from here.
That part we need. If you read question, then you understand, right?
Okay.
You get my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Then finally, what we get here? I think we get a fraction here. If you simplify, this will be 12 here. So 65 into 3, 65 into 3 minus 38 into 4. So 43 over 12. Okay.
Again.
Hmm.
Wait, what did you get?
43 over 12.
Said 43 over 12 is wrong.
43 over 12. How did the question is not clear? Exactly which area they want.
Yeah, I got the same thing. And it said it was wrong. I don't know now.
You got the same thing. Okay, let me check. I think some place I did mistake. Find the area of the region bounded by y equal to square root of x. Very good. We draw the graph, and then y equal to that. Perfect. And then x equal to 9 line. Okay, so if you put 9, then you will get 3. If you put 9 that place, 4.5. Okay, great. Everything is fine. Okay, right. I did this mistake. So maybe the calculation.
Oh yeah, it says here that you do have to calculate this part.
That part also.
Yes, this one.
Okay, then we have to integrate that also. Yeah. So the question is okay, right. So then we add that. Okay. If you integrate, then this part will be 0 to 4, right? And this the language is not clear here. That what you will do actually.
Yes,
Square root of
okay.
x. Yeah, minus 1 over 2 x. Yeah, dx. Correct. So this will become x to the power 3 over 2, 3 over 2 minus x square over 4, then 0 to 4. So what do we get here now? So this is 2 over 3. 2 square mean 2 cube minus 16 over 4. And if you put 0, then there is no contribution. So what do you get here? 16 over 3 minus 16 over 4. So 16 if you can take here. So 4 minus 3 over 12. So we get here 16 over 12, right? So total area will be 43 over 12 plus 16 over 12. So that is 9, 6 and 3, 9. So 59 over 12. I get 59 over 12. Can you check now?
Okay. Yeah.
It work?
All right. Yes, it worked. Yes.
Okay, great. See, one thing we learned here that that you will focus, please. That when you are trying to draw the graph of two functions, which graph is above, which graph is below, how you decide? First, you will calculate the intersecting point. Okay, then
Okay.
yes, that is the main point we learn here. But the remaining part you can solve, right? If your graph, if
Yeah.
you draw the wrong graph, we cannot solve, right?
Mm.
Yeah, the small hint, just find the intersecting point, and the graph they will give you already, those the function that you have, the graph, but when you are trying to draw relative position, which graph is up and which graph is bottom, that time you need the intersecting point. So take care about that. Okay,
Okay.
right. I think
Bye.
yeah, yeah, tell me.
Huh?
Yeah, please.
Oh, not that. I wasn't gonna say anything.
Okay, great. We complete 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to go now. Okay,
All right. Bye.
bye. Good night.